Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change video speed in Adobe Express. This is a really useful feature when you want to create slow motion effects or speed up footage to fit your project's pacing. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your Adobe Express account. This will take you to your main workspace where all your projects are stored. Now navigate to the Recent Files section. This is where you'll find all the projects you've been working on. Scroll through your recent files and click on the project that contains the video you want to adjust. This will open up your project in the page editor where you can make all your modifications. Once you're in the page editor, click directly on the video element that you want to speed up or slow down. Make sure you've selected the correct video clip, especially if your project has multiple video elements on the same page. Clicking on it will activate the video settings and bring up various editing options. Next, look over to the left panel of your screen. Here you'll find a variety of tools for customizing your video. Navigate to the option labeled Speed. This is the control that allows you to manipulate how fast or slow your video plays. Click on it to reveal the speed adjustment slider. You'll now see a slider that lets you customize the playback speed based on your preferences. Dragging the slider to the right will speed up your video, making it play faster than the original recording. On the other hand, moving it to the left will slow down the footage, creating that dramatic slow motion effect. Adjust it until you find the speed that works best for your project. After you've set your desired speed, it's important to preview the changes before finalizing anything. Press the play button located in the bottom left corner of the screen to test out the new speed. This lets you see exactly how the video will look with the adjusted playback rate. If it doesn't feel quite right, you can always go back to the speed slider and make further adjustments until it's perfect. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the video speed in Adobe Express, giving you complete control over the pacing and flow of your content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.